Warren Buffett's will, buy VOO ETF. Global investor Warren Buffett allegedly gave his family a will to buy 90% of your wealth off the VOO ETF when he died. This advice is an important message that goes beyond mere personal expression of intention, demonstrating his deep insight into investing and his smart strategy. Warren Buffett has excelled in the stock market for decades, earning him the nickname the Sage of Omaha. His investment philosophy and strategy have been a great inspiration to many, and his advice is considered a reliable guide when it comes to investing in stocks. One of the pieces of advice Warren Buffett has repeatedly mentioned at his usual shareholders meetings and in several interviews is to buy the VOO ETF. VOO is a leading ETF that follows the S&P 500 index, which Buffett argues can make stable and high returns over the long term. Buffett says it's hard for ordinary investors, as well as professional investors, to beat the market. What he emphasizes is an understanding of how difficult it is to earn above-average returns on the stock market. Buffett therefore argues that it is a smarter choice for most individual investors to invest in index funds that cover the entire market rather than choose individual stocks. The VOO ETF is an exchange-traded fund operated by Vanguard Group, which follows the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 index reflects the stock prices of the top 500 companies representing the U.S. stock market, which shows the overall state of the U.S. economy and the performance of the companies. The VOO follows these S&P 500 indexes, allowing investors to share the growth of the U.S. economy and major companies. This reduces the investment risk of individual companies and reflects the growth of the market as a whole. VOO has a very low operating fee compared to other funds. Vanguard is a leader in low-cost operations, with VOO having a very low annual cost ratio of 0.3%. The S&P 500 is showing stable earnings over the long term and has historically produced an average annual return of about 10%. This offers an attractive return for long-term investors. VOO has high liquidity, making it easy to buy and sell at any time. This helps investors freely manage their funds when needed. Buying VOO ETFs, as advised by Warren Buffett, is a smart investment strategy to expect stable and high returns over the long term. The VOO ETF is an investment product with various advantages, including long-term growth potential, stability, affordable commissions, and convenient investments. Please prepare for the future wisely by investing in VOO ETFs, taking into account your investment goals and risk-taking tendencies. Please subscribe, notify, and like. For me, producing videos, it's a great help. Thank you.